Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody needs a little bit of help with the plastic effect. He watched somebody else's video and they said you need to convert it to a bitmap first. Well, they didn't say it. They just converted it to. The only thing I don't like about it is got a bitmap bounding box. And I think mine looks better. And I've done it twice. So let's just do it. Let's click on our item, go to effects. I've never played very little with the plastic. Go to texture and then plastic. And you can change your settings. I've got mine. If you go too far, it kind of wipes it out. So do your highlight not so far. Now you can change the direction, but I think that looks pretty good. It really looks like plastic. It's got a little shadow. It's got a little sheen. Anyway, so I would suggest not, tell you what, here's a good trick. Make a duplicate of that. Well, no, don't make a duplicate of it. See, it's showing it's kind of you know what? So my original doesn't have it, but the copy does. No, it doesn't. I was thinking it had a bounding box. Let's Control C to copy that, and then let's go back to where my A doesn't have anything yet. There we go. Turn it back to red. Now I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to so there's my original. And see, that does show a bounding box. But no, it doesn't. That's weird. But anyway, this time we're going to go and we're going to convert it to a bitmap. Doesn't really matter, what color, I guess. But see how it's darkened it up? And then I'd go to effects. We're going to use the same settings. Exactly the same. And it's not as nice. It's got the shine and it's got the shadow, but I don't know if you can see that, but this is like a dull red. I wonder if the color eyedropper will sense it. That's 99,990. See, that's 255 red. And it actually, that's an RGB color where this is a CMYK. Because when I said bitmap, I allowed it to go CMYK. So you know what? Let's back up here. And before we do that, let's convert it to a bitmap now. Got to go back one more step probably. Convert to bitmap. Let's use RGB. Now let's go to effects and plastic. Texture, plastic. Without converting it to a bitmap, you know what? I think that's what his problem is. He's converted it into a CMYK color and it just doesn't look as good. So just kind of play around with that and play around with your settings. And I don't get to use this kind of stuff because I'm not a printer. We can't do this in laser engraving. Anyway, I hope that answered a few questions and thank you for watching.